Last thing we want to do is add some audio. So I'm going to save this as boat10. Now audio comes from, here's all my files here, and you can see all my videos, WMV files. Here's my WAV file. Audio comes in WAV files or MP3 files. You can download audio from the internet, get sound samples from just about anywhere. You can create them yourself with a decent microphone. This one is just the sound of the ocean. So what I need to do is I need to create a layer specifically for sound. Okay. So this is my sound layer. And I need to import that sound into my library before I can use it. So import to library. And here's my file right here. Okay, there it is right there. Now you can actually see there's two lines here. That's because this is in stereo. Stereo means one channel for your left ear, one channel for your right ear. If there was one line, that would be mono. You'd hear the same sound in both tracks. Listen to some early Beatles if you want to see what real stereo actually sounds like. You can hear two Beatles on one ear and two Beatles on the other. So you can sync up a sound to your audio. So let's say I want that sound to start 4 or 5 frames in. So on that layer, what I'm going to do is I'm on my sound layer. I'm going to drag this file onto my layer. Okay, so my sound is now actually on my layer, and I can actually see where it starts. It gets louder. When this thing gets bigger, it's louder, and then it goes off and it's quiet. This is really nice if you want to sync up your sound to something that happens. Okay. And you can also do some interesting things. You can fade from left to right, fade in, fade out. You can sync this sound to an event, when it starts, when it stops. You can repeat your sound multiple times. I don't think you can tween your sound, but let's see what our final product looks like. Now, of course, you notice that the sound runs longer than the movie, so there's not much you can do about that. What you really need to do is you need to figure out how to, there we go, stop it. Let's see if that works. Okay. So, sound's a bit of a tricky thing. Really have to play around with that a bit. So, there is our boat.